Hi, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new hairstyle in VRoid Studio. This is an existing hairstyle that I already put on this character. So now I'm going to delete it so that I can do a demo from scratch how to design a hairstyle. First you have to click the hair editor. Now I already have so many presets. These are my design last time. So now I want to start all over, start from the scratch. That is the preset 0 that last time I had saved. For the preset 0, this is mine. When you start a new character, it will start from this. This is just a base hair. So now I want to start from all over again to start design a hairstyle. First, what can I do? First, what I need to do is add a procedural group. Now you can see this is a procedural group. I can expand it. This group already selected. Then you check at the side here. You scroll down. Then you can see this position is under procedural parameter. The position. This position variable allow you to rotate it. Then you can check this interval. This interval allow you to expand it. So for this time, I want to make it at the front. The number of hair you can adjust as well. The length, the hair length. For this time, I want to put at the front. So I have to adjust the curve to make it be straight. And I also can adjust the length anytime. Something like this. Alright. And make it center. Make it at the center. Now I want to set another group now. Okay. Now I want to rename this. Rename it. This is front. Name it properly so that later it is easier for you. Next, I want to create a back hair here. Also do the same way, add the procedural group. Now the moment I press, actually the procedural group 2, it will duplicate the first group. So once you move it away, actually this is a duplication of the first group. For this time I want to put at the back. So I should adjust the length, the procedural parameter length, make it be long. The position I just make to back here. The interval I expand it so that it can cover the back. Okay, it's not balanced, so adjust the position to make it balanced. The number of hair. Now you can see the curve, you can just adjust to fulfill whatever you want. Adjust the number of hair so that it cover everything. Now you still need a side group. Anytime you can select back. This one I rename it first, right click and rename. Rename as back. So that you know this is the back. Alright. Besides that, if you feel you want to have a very long hair, you can adjust a lot of things here. You should adjust the hair length. So what about the highlight position? Okay, this one is not that important. If you want to set, you can set it. The width scale, the thickness scale. This is the height. Remember, this is a guide parameter. Guide is all the line. So you can adjust it to make it really long. And of course, you can adjust all of this to make it out. Something like this. You can adjust it anytime. Now this is the back. Of course, you want to pull it out a bit so that it looks more natural. We don't want it to be overlapped with the cloth. Okay, just like this, enough. Next is the side. Of course, if you want to adjust the side, first I will just adjust the front to make the interval, to increase the interval, and also increase number of hair. And the position, you have to make sure it is at the center. Next, I'm going to create the side hair. So we also do the same way, add the procedural group here. And I name it, rename as, first I will put left, save. Then now, I'm going to adjust the position. Somewhere here, the interval should be decreased. The position. And the side hair should be longer. I just make the length be longer. Alright. And now you can see this is a straight hair. Check this, the curve. You can make it squared if you want. Then here you can adjust as well. Now the interval should be decreased. Then I adjust the position to cover the ear. That's all. Now everything will look naturally. Now, click again, you select it. Of course, this one you can drag it out. This one in a little bit to make it look natural. Maybe if you don't want to see the ear, then you can just drag it out a bit. By the way, you can always adjust the length. It's not the procedural parameter. This length is all in the reference on the guide parameter. What you want to adjust is the height. This one you can adjust. Alright, if you feel satisfied already, next what you want to do is you can just duplicate another one as the right. So add procedural group. Then this one should be right. You right click and rename it as right. And save it. Change the position to cover the right side. Now just have a check. For the left, you also can just to put it to be in the front. You can adjust anytime. It is up to you. Now you can see this is a new hairstyle that I just created. It is quite perfect. I want to adjust the right so that I don't want to see this. So I adjust the guideline. You can adjust a lot of things actually. Adjust the guide. Now just left another part, the design of the hair. For example, if I want to design the front, you can just pull it up. And what should you find is something like twist, the amplitude of the twist. For example, this one. You can twist the hair or make it double layer. Alright, so now the front, I can add another procedural group. Now it duplicate the front already. Now actually what is this? You drag it down. The position actually, it is a duplication of the front. So I let it duplicate and then I twist this. I twist this hair. So now how should it look like? Now this is another new hairstyle already. This one. This is a front design so that I can just drag it down. Here is fluffy, so make it squirt. Now maybe look better. You can design a lot of things. And of course, if you want to change, if you want to design the right hand side, you also can perform some of the designing. For example, the parting, the flow direction, you see. You can adjust the flow direction or the flow convergence as well. You can adjust this way. Then I adjust the position. Where is the position? This one. So now you can see the side hair of the right hand side now is different from the left hand side. It is up to you to design it. So for this right hand side group, I want to make the position behind a little bit. And just now I already adjust the flow convergence. And also of course I can adjust the number of hair. 7. I make it less. Like that is enough. 5. 4. 4 is well enough. You can adjust a lot of things. This is the right. Now I want this to be covered in more. It is up to you. You can adjust it anytime. You can even adjust one by one. Just select the hair and adjust the position as well. Alright, once you feel satisfied with your new hairstyle, you should save it as a new preset. So you can see, my original preset, how many of them? Is totally 22. Now if I click export as preset, Now it will become 23. Let's have a look. Now the 23 is my new hairstyle. If I select 22, I can click import. That is my old hairstyle 1 week ago. So now I select my recent hair. It's the preset 23, sorry. Now I click import. This is the hairstyle just now that I just designed in front of you. So of course you can always back up your hairstyle, back up the presets. But where to find that? I'm going to show you. First, you right click the Explorer, click the File Explorer. Next, you go to your operating system, C. This PC is under C, your local disk, your operating system. Then program data. Can you see any of the Vroid? Sorry, not here. Should be user. Enter your username in the computer. So again, it's under C. It is under C, user. Select your username, enter your username. You should be able to see the app data. If you cannot see this, then you have to go to the view, click the option, and the view. Make sure you show hidden files folder and drive. Then you should be able to see your app data. It's under roaming, and here you should find Vroid. Which one is the Vroid? Which company the Vroid belongs to? Never mind, let me search here. Vroid. It should be in the folder. Okay, I search it out for you. Alright, it is at here. Under the user, your username, then app data, local low. This is a very important location, local low. Then the name is PixIV, and it's under the Vroid Studio. Your hair preset is automatic saved in this folder. This is very important. Alright. So if you want to reinstall your Windows 10, you have to back up this folder. And next time after you reinstall your Windows 10, you put it back to this folder. You can restore all your presets, all your hairstyle presets. And that's all for today about how to design a new hairstyle for your Vroid Studio and also save as a preset, and also find the backup locations. Find the locations of the directory that's under user, under C user, then your username, the app data, local PixIV is under this folder. Backup the whole folder is the best choice for your next recovery. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and at the same time also turn on the mini bell and select all. so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation.